Ang lagi ho nilang inuulit, magkita-kita na lang daw sa Senado dahil doon ho sila maglalatag ng ebidensya. But I'm telling them today, you cannot go to trial at the Senate while you have a Supreme Court petition at the Supreme Court. Kasi ho, ginawa niyo respondent yung pong Senado, dito po sa inyong Supreme Court petition. Katawa-tawa po yun na pupunta ho kayo to present your defense at trial, samantalang kina-question po ninyo yung kabuuan po ng proseso. Yung pong House impeachment proceedings, kina-question ho nila. Yung consequence po ng House impeachment proceedings is also going into the Senate. Hindi ba? So paano ho kayo magpapakita ron, questioning the proceedings, while also wanting to present your evidence there? Hindi ba? Hindi ba yung height of a contradictory legal defense, bad faith strategy? Hindi ba? So, ang challenge to the defense panel of the Vice President, dapat bago sila magpakita sa trial at the Senate, dapat i-atras na ho nila yung pong Supreme Court petition ho natin para mag-usap-usap tayo doon, maglaban ho tayo ron.